Welcome and welcome back. Yay! Nelly's Acrylics, we're gonna swatch them. Let's get these babies out and ready to go. And of course, you want to shake them up really good before you use them. And I'll do that off camera and get set up. And here we go. I'm excited to be swatching these. Well, at least I'm gonna try to swatch them. And if you don't know Nelly, go check her out. She does amazing nails, awesome bling placement, and she makes gorgeous acrylics from time to time. Thank you, Nelly. I love you, girl. Now, I did speed up the video just a tad, but I wanted to leave it all in because if anyone can give me advice on improving my application, yeah, I know it's on swatches, but I would greatly appreciate it. And yes, I did have great advice from my last swatch video, which has been a while, that with glitters you need to work a little wetter, so I tried doing it this time and tried moving the glitters around a little bit better than what I had been. So I'm trying to improve. I hope I have since the last time. Let me know what you all think. And these acrylics are so stunning. Nelly, you did an amazing job on them. I absolutely love them. Even though they're glitters, they're buttery and so easy to use. Now there is one acrylic I have a little bit of trouble using because it has butterflies in it, which I had a little trouble with that. But other than that, they're absolutely amazing to use. But I'm just going to let you all watch and play some music for you. But before I go, I want to thank everyone that watches my videos. I appreciate you so much. And thank you to the new subscribers. I see you all. Thank you. I appreciate you all so much. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It only takes a second. And if you would like to make a comment, well, it may take a few seconds. But just know I'll always get back to you. And please don't forget to like my video if you like it.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. Lost in this cosmic abyss, my mind takes flight. Dark echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. Hitting the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration. Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high. The trip hop grooves wrap around my very being. Thought place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions.
Now, this is the one I had a little trouble with, but it still ends up turning out pretty okay, I think.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race.
Here's what they look like. They are gorgeous. And here's the underside. And yes, they glow in the dark. Look at this glow. Isn't it amazing? They are stunning. Thank you, Nelly. I absolutely love them. Love, 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 love them. You did an amazing job. I will see you in the next one. See ya.